In this video, I'll show you how to create any pose you want for your posters or artwork using the app Magic Poser. If you want to learn how to add clothes to your model, I'll make a tutorial, but only if this video reaches 200 likes. Make sure to watch the video until the end, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Alright, so this is what the interface looks like when we open the app. First things first, let's hit Create New File and get started. Boom! Here's our 3D model. You can adjust the pose however you like. Super easy. Now check this out. This little arrow here, that's your light direction. When you click on it, you get some cool options. You can move it around like this, no big deal. Want to change the direction of the light? Just click on Rotate and boom. These 3 circles pop up. Use them to adjust the direction however you want. Here's the fun part. You can tweak the color, the brightness, or even lock it in place. Simple, right? Now let's talk about making changes to the body. Remember how I said earlier, when you click on the body, you'll see all these points? Those are the magic spots. For example, let's click on the shoulder. See that? Same circles show up, and now you can adjust the arm however you like. Now the fingers. Click on the hand and boom, you're in finger adjusting mode. Want to tweak a specific finger? Just select it like this. Here's a pro tip. If you want to make the fingers curl, just use this slider. But if you want them to go the other way, enable rotate joint and you're good to go. Like I showed earlier, you can adjust each finger individually. You can click on any of those circles to tweak other parts of the body too. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to create literally any pose you can think of. All right, let's talk saving. To save your file, click on this icon and hit Export, or go with the camera icon. It's up to you. Now in preview mode, you can adjust the angle. Get it exactly how you want it. Once you're happy, click this icon, choose 2D image, and here's the trick. Disable sky and background if you don't want those in your final image. But if you're using the background as a reference, just leave it on. Want the image to be transparent? Turn on transparent background, bump the quality from medium to high, and hit Export. Boom, save to your gallery. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want a tutorial on how to put clothes on your model, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your editor friends. Let's get this video to 200 likes. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Bye.